This video is to demonstrate how to clean a Chromebook. I'm going to use this 70% isopropyl alcohol and some microfiber cleaning towels. First, start by opening up the microfiber cleaning towel and pour some of the isopropyl alcohol onto it. Now blot and then wipe the Chromebook horizontally and then vertically. Turn it over and repeat the process again, horizontally and then vertically. Now wipe around all four edges of the Chromebook and set the device down in front of you. Open it up and wait for it to turn on. Once it gets to the login screen, press and hold the power button until it turns off. You can also use something like this 2-ounce sprayer and fill it full of isopropyl alcohol, but if you do, make sure to label it isopropyl 70%. Spray isopropyl alcohol onto the microfiber cleaning towel and blot. And on the Chromebook screen, wipe horizontally and then vertically. For the palm rest, starting at the bottom, wipe horizontally, avoiding the power button so that it doesn't turn back on, and then vertically. At this point, you can wipe the area around the power button to finish off the job, and now you have a nice clean device ready to go.